Welcome for another technical analysis video by Technically Analyzed. This is Dr.B on Webull and I will be analyzing Jumia, Mother Africa's online marketplace. Since we focus on the technicals, I won't be discussing the fundamentals of Jumia. I assume that you have already watched videos that made you consider Jumia for trading or investments. Instead, what I will cover is why, from the technical analysis point of view, Jumia is a stock to consider and buy. Before we talk about the levels of the support and resistance, let's have a quick scan of the technical indicators and see what they say. On the weekly chart, we can see that the DMI shows shrinking selling pressure, the yellow line, and high buying pressure, the blue line. But the buying pressure is starting to slowly fade. The ADX, the red line, is at 48.95. This is way higher than 25, which means that this is a trend with high strength and momentum. We are trading far above the super trend line, which acts as a strong support or resistance. Also, the line is going up, which indicates a strong bullish trend. The Ichimoku cloud indicator is giving all buy signals. The price is above the cloud, the conversion line has crossed the baseline, and both of them are pointing up. This crossing is above the cloud and while the lagging span is above the price action. Moreover, a green cloud is forming. The EMAs are super bullish. The price is respecting the 5 EMA with the last candle showing rejection of lower prices, and all of them are in order and pointing up with high slope. Again, MACD is derived from the EMAs, so I do not cover it. The indicators we covered so far are all saying buy. Other indicators are less obvious or suggesting a pullback is due. For example, the RSI shows that the stock is overbought for a while and is getting lower slope. Also, we are now walking along and pushing the upper Bollinger Band, which is, in my opinion, can still be pushed further before a pullback. Similar signals are observed on the daily and the different hour-based charts. From the technical indicators, we can say that we will be pushing for higher prices while keeping in mind that a pullback is possible in the near future. So as you watch the price action tomorrow and for the rest of the week, what levels should you be looking for to know if Jumia is running or pulling back? Let's overlay our drawings again and I will remove all the indicators except for the EMAs. I know this may look intimidating, but once I explain it, it will look easy. First, Jumia have been flowing in a major channel that is identified by this Andrew's pitchfork shown here. What makes Jumia interesting right now is that it broke structure and is now trading above the outer resistance level of the major channel. This new trend is captured by the smaller and steeper pitchfork channel as you can see here. If this channel is confirmed, this means that the new major channel for Jumia is the one we are plotting here. For now, and not to confuse you, we will focus on the two channels, the old one and the new small steeper one. Notice how Jumia in a very short time pushed the outer resistance twice and now broke it. The question is, did it break the channel for good or is there a possibility of dropping back again? First, notice that we are moving up the Fibonacci extension levels with very strong moves, break, retest, and move up. Second, notice how it's holding the new channel very well. On the daily channel, we can see that the 5 EMA is aligned perfectly with the outer support trend line of the pitchfork. On the hourly, the 5 EMA is aligned perfectly with the inner support trend line. Alright, so all of these indications tell me that we broke the big channel for good. But we still need to be careful. So what levels to look for? It's possible to hold the 42.8 and push above during the pre-market. Ultimately, we want to go to the median of the channel somewhere between 44.7 and 46.2. There is, however, the 50% Fibonacci extension level halfway the distance to the median line located at 44.12. I am expecting it to top at this Fibonacci level and trade right below it or drop back a little. This may continue for the whole day until the after hours or the pre-market of Tuesday. Although not ideal, this shows that there is buying pressure and we are pushing that level. So that means we are holding this channel. Once we break this line, we will go to the median line or even the inner resistance line, which is at high 47s and low 48s. As for the support, there is a high probability that the price will drop just to retest the lower support trend line at the levels of the 40.5 plus. If it retests this level and bounces back up, I will be very happy and confident that we will continue to go up and hold this channel. If it breaks this support, however, we are looking at the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level as support, which is sitting at 39.5. I wouldn't be too worried if we retested this either. I would worry though if we break below it and start to look at the following levels. 37, which is the outer resistance level of the big channel, to be acting as support. Below this, we are going back to the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level and probably drop back into this big channel. Alright, so that's it for Jumia's technical analysis. If you found this video at all useful, all I'm asking is to please hit the like and the subscribe buttons. Thank you for watching and happy gains.